Hi mates, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to leave from a party in Rocket League. Actually, that's gonna be a very quick tutorial. Just make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. And yeah, so first let's say we're in some party with my friend. So how to leave it? How to leave from this party? As you can see, we have this symbol forbidden. So just click on it. And actually Rocket League asks you, are you sure you want to leave your current party? Yep, just click OK, and now you're out of your party. Of, I mean, from his party. Yeah, the previous party. I mean, and that was how to leave from a party in Rocket League. As you saw, it was easy. It's not complicated. So yeah, if you're finding this video for helpful, you can give it a like. And also, if you have some problems, if you have some questions, don't be hesitant to leave them in the comments below the video, and I'll try to respond in a few days. And see you next video. Bye.